Hello, Rio and Riri. What are you doing there? Have you finished eating? Do you want to eat rice? Why?
Because you get milk.
What? What do you want?
Milk.
Do you want milk? Oh, hi. Milk na naman. Wala pang kain ng rice. Eat first before you drink milk.
Then I'll kill you.
Hey, nako. You, Riri, do you want to eat rice? Riri, do you want to eat rice? Do you want to drink milk? Do you want to drink milk? Riri? Di pa disturbo.